to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to be successful. So if you guys are new here, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, and I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the topic of this video is I'm going to be giving you guys advice on how to be successful. So my first tip to you guys when it comes to creating success is you need to learn how to deal with pressure. Most people don't succeed in life because they don't know how to handle pressure. They fold under pressure. You got to remember that pressure creates diamonds. I want you guys to think about something. What feelings do you usually have when you feel nervous? Your heart rate increases, your palms get sweaty, you feel a little bit anxious. Now I want you guys to think about how you feel when you get excited. Your heart rate increases, your palms get sweaty, you feel a little bit anxious. So just by simply changing the words that you use when you feel nervous, that'll help you deal with pressure. So instead of saying that you feel nervous, you could just simply say, I feel excited. And that's one way you can learn to handle pressure, just by simply changing your vocabulary. My second piece of advice for you guys is to go all the way in. Whatever you're trying to do, you need to fully commit to it. Otherwise, then what's the point of even trying it? You're just going to be wasting your time. So you shouldn't be wasting your time half-stepping. You should just be going all the way in. And my third piece of advice for you guys is you need to take the steps necessary in order to be successful. So whatever you need to do in order to be successful, you need to do it. You need to take action. I mean, if you guys are making excuses for yourself, like, oh, I want to be successful, but I don't know where to start, or I don't know how to do this, my advice to you guys is to learn. You need to learn the steps that it takes in order to be successful. You need to take the steps required in order to be successful. You need to stop making excuses for yourself on why it won't work for you. You need to just take action and be bold. The next piece of advice I have for you guys is you need to dream big. You need to dream so big that it scares small minds. Don't worry about what other people are going to think about what your dreams are, because it has nothing to do with them. I remember I heard a quote by Les Brown, and he said, if you aim for the moon and you miss, you still end up among the stars. So when you dream big, it's going to motivate you and push you beyond your comfort zone. And that's when you start growing as a person. And my next piece of advice for you guys is you need to change your mindset. You need to change your negative internal dialogue into a positive internal dialogue. If you're telling yourself, I can't do it, you need to change that into I will and I must do it. You also need to raise your standard. People don't get out of life what they want, they get out of life what they have to have. So if you raise your standard and you tell yourself, I have to have this, you're going to do whatever it takes in order to achieve it. I mean, I hope you guys learned something from this video today. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. I usually don't do too many of these kinds of videos. I mostly talk about ways to make money online. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make a full-time income online, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check that out. So that's pretty much it for this video. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.